Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 11 and let me share with you how to check IMEI number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers, and the first one requires a secret code and the second is by using the settings, and of course I'll show you both, and I'd like to begin with a secret code. So let's enter the dialer, tap on the keypad, and the code for the IMEI number is *##06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we can check both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way of checking those numbers. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So we have to enter the settings. Let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Device. And here let's scroll down to find the status. And as you can see, actually almost at the top, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots again. So basically that's it. This is how to check the IMEI numbers in your OnePlus 11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.